You think your garden is safe? Think again. Some of the most beautiful flowers you see every day aren't just gorgeous, they're deadly. One wrong bite or even a touch could send you straight to the hospital, or worse. Today we're uncovering the world's most poisonous flowers hiding right outside your window. Daphne is a semi-evergreen shrub with clusters of fragrant flowers in white, rose, or purple. Don't let its sweet scent fool you. The berries and sap are highly toxic. Even a few berries can trigger convulsions, severe headaches, or coma, which are especially dangerous for children. Deadly nightshade, also known as Belladonna, has small reddish-purple tubular flowers that hide some of the deadliest berries in the plant kingdom. Its toxins disrupt your nervous system and can shut down breathing and heart function. Historically, it was even used as a poison in ancient Rome. Angel's trumpet may look like a showstopper on your patio, but every part of this plant is poisonous. Its seeds are packed with scopolamine and atropine, causing hallucinations, delirium, and in extreme cases, fatal overdose. Some Amazonian tribes use it in rituals, but the risks are real. Azaleas are beloved for their large, colorful flower clusters, but all parts of the plant contain Andromeda toxins. Ingesting them can bring nausea, paralysis, and even death. Even honey made by bees from these flowers, known as mad honey, can be toxic. Oleander's sweet, intoxicating scent hides its lethal secret. The plant contains compounds that attack the heart, nerves, and digestive system all at once. Just a few leaves can trigger seizures, tremors, or death, and its sap can irritate your skin and eyes. Wolfsbane, a stunning perennial with violet-blue flowers, but it has a deadly history. The poison aconite can burn your mouth, trigger dizziness, vomiting, and in high doses stop your breathing entirely. In Europe, it was even used to poison wolves and enemies alike. Hemlock may look like harmless wildflowers, but it's extremely dangerous. Tiny white flowers atop tall stems contain conine and pyridine, toxins that can cause convulsions, coma, and death. Ancient Greeks used it as a lethal poison. Socrates famously drank it. Castor bean plant may appear exotic with its star-shaped leaves and red fruits, but the seeds contain ricin, one of the deadliest natural toxins known. Even the tiniest amount can be fatal, while smaller doses cause severe vomiting, pain, and convulsions. Beauty can be deadly. Remember, not all flowers are safe to touch or taste. Protect your family, stay informed, and always be cautious in your garden. If you found this eye-opening, hit subscribe and like so you never miss a secret lurking in plain sight.